Yo, what up? It's Aaron Moses, and this video is about why I use the color red in my money rituals. Now, I haven't done any money rituals in a while because I was just instructed not to when I was in jail a couple years ago, and because I see the benefits of actually not doing them, right? But the next time I do, I will be using the color red, and this is why. I'm gonna just give you a basic rundown of just basic candle magic real quick as far as the colors are concerned. Now, you could use any, a lot of people don't tell you this, but you could use essentially any color for candle, for any magic. But for money rituals, right? The purpose of the color is for you to tap in to the subconscious mind and what colors mean to the psychology of you as a human being. Blue meaning relaxation, pink meaning love, red, I'm going to get to that. The fact that you can use green, red, black, white, gold as for the best results for money is important. But at the same time, if all you have is purple, all you have is orange, don't let that deter you from doing a money ritual. It's not going to make it any better or worse pertaining to your level of focus and your connection to these colors. Now, let's get into it. Why I use red? Because, I lost my nose. I use red because green is for attraction, right? People use green and they connect green to money because they think green is the color of earth, which is it's not. They think green is the color of money. It's not. The thing about it is red, green is of the heart chakra. The heart chakra is not necessarily the heart chakra is the chakra of connection and attraction. You're attracting money with this color, but subconsciously, what does green really mean? What does it mean? Yes, abundance of what? Abundance of anything, attraction of anything, magnetism, right? But red is where the source of money is in your chakra system. The root chakra, the earth, the real abundance, the real fire, the real flow, okay? There's no money in your heart chakra, bro, but there's all the money that ever existed and will ever exist in your root chakra. That's why I use the color red. One of the reasons. Next is because the color red represents to me the two most important primal instincts: hunger, right, and intercourse, the drive to reproduce. Red represents the power of reproduction, the power of life, vitality, motivation, masculinity. Money of money is a masculine tool. It's not a feminine tool. This is why women typically don't spend it as well as men because it is made for the logical thinker. There's nothing wrong with that. But money is a masculine tool. It's not neutral. It's not bad or good, but it's certainly not neutral. It's to be handled by those who typically think on a logical base, a logical foundation, okay? It is something that you should not be handling if you're emotional and if you're an emotionally based moving person. No shot at women, but that's just how it is, bro. Okay? So, red, vitality, right? Speed, Mars, right? Life. Your blood is red, right? Earth, planting the seeds, right? The home of abundance. We live on earth. The root chakra is the home of all abundance and your chakras, okay? And last reason that I use the color red is because red is my favorite color. It makes me emotionally feel better than all the other colors, okay? Why is this important? Because red makes me happy. And when I'm focusing on the color red, there's a higher likelihood that I'm gonna subconsciously and consciously feel good emotions. Now, when I'm in the stage of visualization for attracting money and producing money and creating money and opportunities and drawing money towards me, a lot of what I visualize is red. I'm getting up in the morning, red bathroom. I'm going to my closet, red clothes. Brushing my teeth, red toothbrush. Going downstairs, red carpet. Opening a red door, red Hellcat. Getting in the car, red steering wheel, okay? Everything is red except for the numbers in my bank account when I do these visualizations. It's easy. It makes a lot of sense for me. A lot of people might say Aaron Moses, but you got two first names. How could we trust you? Because, bro, I do this, man. And you might have you might think something different, but that's okay. That's what you're supposed to do, okay? When I do offerings, boom, cherries, red things, strawberries. All the cherries and strawberries are very important to abundance for a reason, okay? Blood rituals, red. Yes, your veins are green and blue, just like money. But why do you think they made the money green and blue? Why? Not on accident, okay? But that's why I use red candles and red so much in my money rituals, bro. And let me know, comment below what you think. But yeah, the fact that I think the most important part of this is not the fact that red is my favorite color, but because of because of the chakra system, and because it taps into your hunger, and it taps into your drive to reproduce. Okay, the combination of those things and money is important because those are your driving forces. That's gonna turn on. That's gonna activate parts of your brain that the color green and the color gold is not gonna activate, bro. Because the whole point of this is to stimulate your brain. The whole point of this is to stimulate your subconscious mind and your primal instincts to have to use less energy and to make your visualizations more effective and to make your energy flow easier. That's the whole point. So you using a color like green that doesn't activate as many parts of your brain that is motivated to get money is, to me, I don't think that's very smart. Even though you might say, yes, the color of money is green and the whole point is to align yourself and attune yourself with this money, but I don't do when I do rituals for abundance and money, I don't necessarily want to attract the paper, bro. That's what a lot of people do. They write their name. Okay, yeah, that's understandable. But at the same time, I don't I don't want to attract the actual money. I want to attract the energy. I want to attract the opportunity. I want to attract the emotions. I want to attract the events that would lead me up to doing this. So it's a free. So it's a. I'm opening a channel, not just some dollars are falling out the sky. I'm walking down the street and I find a wallet, because that's a one-time thing. That's a one-time thing. I want money to flow to me like a river, not like it's raining. It rains. It rains what, 3 times a season, hard. But at the same time, this river is going to be flowing to me because I created it and I opened up this channel. That's why I use the color red. As Aaron Moses on the bang, you the bang, we the bang together, man. Life is in the breath, breathe it in.